to use your Pluxee card for bill payments. 1. Open your preferred bill payment app or website. 2. Go to the section for your bill type, for example, electricity, mobile, internet, or gas. 3. Enter your account or customer number and verify the bill details. 4. On the payment page, choose credit debit card as your payment method. 5. Take your Pluxee card, formerly Sodexo, and enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV. 6. Tap pay or proceed. An OTP one-time password will be sent to your registered number. 7. Enter the OTP to confirm payment. 8. Once successful, the bill amount will be deducted from your Pluxee balance and you'll see a confirmation message. 9. You can check the transaction under history in your Pluxee app to track the payment.